Hello guys, and welcome back to today's cryptocurrency video. And today we are going to be looking at YEARN.finance or YFI. YFI is currently at the $7,683 level, currently ranked at 210 with a market cap of about $256 million. We have a 24-hour volume of about $18.47 million, and today we are going to be looking at the price action, the technical analysis and price prediction right here for YFI. So sit back, relax, and enjoy the video. Right. So on the in the last 24 hours, YFI is up about 4.6%. And without further ado, let us push to the chart, right? So as you can see, we are on the chart right here for YFI versus the USD Theta. We're on the daily time frame, and Binance is the data source, right? And today I'm so happy because I'm going to show you something massive, right, that the bulls are planning right here for YFI, right? So basically, YFI, every single time we saw these bullish EMAs or trending EMAs push below either our bull market EMA right here, we were saying we were bearish. And as you can see, the moment we saw our trending EMAs pushed above right here, our macro EMA, we were very bullish, right? And that was what made us see that push from the $5,000 into that $12,000 or $14,000, a massive 179% push to the upside right here for YFI. The same thing is brewing right here for YFI. As you can see, this is on the daily time frame, right? The last time we had that kind of bullish divergences right here, as you can see, that was around August. We saw this sort of massive bullish divergences, and then we saw this sort of massive push to the upside, right? As you can see, the same exact scenario is brewing. We are seeing this sort of massive bullish divergences forming right here on YFI. Exactly the same we formed at the $5,000 level, which took us right there to the $15,000 level. We are forming exactly the same kind of bullish divergences, which means we should expect some sort of massive breakout imminent right here for the price of YFI. So we could see YFI push up into this $12,000 level right soon, right? They are planning something massive. As you can see, a massive buy volume is coming in right here for YFI. So expect to see some sort of massive push to the upside right here for YFI going forward, right? So that's the update right here on YFI. YFI is about to see this sort of massive breakout to the upside, and so you want to prepare for it, right? And that is the update right here on YFI. If you like the channel, please do not forget to click on the like button, click on subscribe button. Thank you for watching and have a blessed day.